In this video, I am going to show you on how you can mark your task as completed in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, what you're going to do is go to your project that has tasks that's already completed. So, what can you do? First, you can either go to your list view, or if you want it to be much easier, go to your Kanban view right here. So, as you can see, we have the to-do items in progress, for review, pending, for approval, and of course, the completed ones. So, if your task is already complete, it should be right here. For example, let's have this task, negotiate rates and schedules. If this is already finished approval, then technically it should be complete. So what you can do, or simply, you're gonna drag this and transfer it to the completed task, which means this task is already complete. But how about if I want, or you want to do it from the list view? Let's say, let's choose one, this schedule onboarding meeting and review. So let's say this task is already complete. What you're gonna do is to change the status right here. So click on it. This is all of the possible statuses. And what you're going to do is to click on complete. And that's it. As simple as that. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.